If you are looking for a walk in the UK that's got stunning scenery, 100-metre high limestone cliffs and multiple waterfalls to boot, then keep watching, because in today's video we're going to be showing you exactly that. Wow, wow, wow. How cool is this?
It's crazy, it's so good.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to our channel, my name is Kyle.
And I'm Hayley.
And in today's video we are showing you two spots out here in North Yorkshire. So today we are back out in North Yorkshire. It's been a long time since we came up north and after a couple hours drive we finally made it. And in today's video we're going to be showing you two separate spots that are well worth your time, and they're very, very close together. We're starting off with a waterfall, what's not to love, and then a little bit later on in the video we're going to be heading behind me to a spot called Gordale Scar, which is somewhere that we've really been wanting to visit for quite some time.
If you're looking to visit these two spots, there is roadside parking. It's very small and minimal, and there are refreshments, but there are no toilets. If you don't get a parking spot, there is Malham Village just up the road. So first up is Janets Foss. It's a very, very short walk from where we've just parked, so we'll go and check it out.
I don't think we're going to get away with fooling everyone that we've got it to ourselves today.
No, lots and lots of people out and about.
As it turns out, Janets Foss is an incredibly popular waterfall. If you look behind me, there are masses of tourists here. This appears to be some kind of through route. I believe it's part of a larger walk that you can do. You don't just come down to see Janets Foss, you can continue on the path back that way. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock in the morning guys, and already there are several hiking groups. Maybe try midweek if you want it really quiet, but it's not taken away from it. It's still a really nice spot.
Janets Foss is owned by the National Trust, and the word Foss is Norse for waterfall. Janet was supposedly a queen of the fairies that lived behind the waterfall in a cave.
I'm going to say it's a little bit of a challenge to film today. Every man and his dog, or 10 dogs, are currently down there. They're trying to get my B-roll.
Hey, they're having fun.
They are having fun, and so are we. So the water itself comes down from Gordale Scar. It's actually called Gordale Beck, and it runs down from Gordale Scar, which is where we're going next. And that runs its way all the way down over Janets Foss and then down, and I believe it joins the River Aire. I believe it crosses down near the Pennine Way as well, so it goes quite a far way. I will say the water's pretty clear as well, isn't it? It's quite...
yeah, it looks quite clear and clean.
Everyone's dogs love jumping in this. Good swimming water. Papa, however, is less than bothered about going in the cold water.
So in spring you will expect to see and smell a lot of wild garlic, which you do come across in these gorge type areas.
Yeah, also apparently in this area it's common for little brown dippers as well, which is like a little small bird that I think it feeds in the waters and the streams. I got footage of one of those down in Gordale back in summer. I'll stick some footage in now so you can see what that looks like. If you're looking for little brown dippers or wild garlic,
this is your spot.
Janets Foss, that's where you want to go, mate. We all got up super early this morning, so early that Papa didn't have time to have his breakfast. So I guess it's lunch now, isn't it?
Right, so now we are off to spot number 2, which is Gordale Scar, and if you've enjoyed this video so far, please hit that like button.
Yep, and maybe even consider hitting that subscribe button, joining the gang, because this is what we do on this channel. We get out and show you guys the great outdoors. Let's go see Gordale Scar. Okay, we are now making our way into Gordale Scar. It's only taken us about 5 minutes from where we parked the car, so it's a very easy route. If you're interested, the path is incredibly flat. It's gravel. It looks as though it's very well maintained actually, so if you're looking to come here, I'd almost argue it's pushchair friendly actually. But the cliffs are starting to look incredibly impressive. I'm getting big Janets Pass vibes here. All the limestone coming up out of the ground. I believe they're about 100 meters high as well, so it's very visually impressive.
Wow, this really is an incredible spot. Just seeing all the trees kind of growing off the rock face and then seeing all the collapsed rock at the bottom of the gorge is just, it really reminds us of Derbyshire, and it's just visually spectacular.
Guys, wow. Wow, wow, wow. How cool is this?
It's crazy, it's so good.
There's multiple waterfalls, like we promised.
Wow, I have never seen anything quite like it. Like, not even when we went to Scotland, anything on this level. It is absolutely spectacular.
Kind of takes your breath away. As soon as you turn around the corner, the whole waterfall is revealed to you. This is why we like doing this, to come to places like this. Yeah, kind of lost for words, to be honest. So if any of this is looking remotely familiar to some of you guys, that's because this is a popular filming location. They filmed the 1982 film The Dark Crystal here, and I believe there was also scenes from The Witcher that is shown on Netflix. And I mean, look, it's not exactly hard to see why, is it? It's kind of hard to imagine today because the water is so vigorous, but believe it or not, there is a right of way which takes you all the way up the waterfalls, and you can continue your walk up and over the top. There's a couple of guys sort of having a bit of a scramble today. That will not be us, but we've had a lot of rain recently. But to be honest, I'm happy just sitting here looking at it.
Yeah.
But no need to get up there. Okay guys, that was Janets Foss and Gordale Scar. Honestly, really genuinely blown away by this place, especially Gordale Scar. Really, really enjoyed it.
Yeah, and if there are any other waterfalls in Yorkshire that you guys like to see, let us know. Just leave a comment and we'll try and get around to doing it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up.
And if you like the look of our faces and you want to see more content just like this from places like Yorkshire, hit that little subscribe button down there, because that way it'll guarantee that you see us in the next one. So until then,
bye!
peace!